நம் தங்கவையில் உள்ள மதிப்புத்தக்க பெண்களுக்கான கல்லூரியான சென்ட் தெரேசாவில் முதலாம் மற்றும் இரண்டாம் ஆண்டுக்கான அதிக மதிப்பெண் பெற்ற சாதனையாளர்களுக்கு விருது வழங்கும் தினத்தை ஏற்பாடு செய்தனர் சென்ட் தெரேசாவின் தலைமை ஆசிரியர்கள் தலைமையில்.
You had the pleasure of doing that in person. I'm going to have to do it long distance. Exaggeration. All you need to do is to look at the phenomenal performance of the students. Look at the video. Highest scorer in the college in your business studies.
Students who have scored a perfect 100 are also honored. Monisha Evangeline for scoring 100 out of 100 in English, Steffi P for scoring in English and Kannada, Javeria Tasneem in English and Business Studies, Reenu in English, Preeti N in Kannada. Congratulations for scoring a perfect 100 out of 100. It's time to honor the staff who work with dedication to celebrate the achievement of the students. The support staff, Mr. Shivakumar.
The staff. Today we had the awards program for the achievers of 2020 and 21. The students who performed exceptionally well, scoring center and highest marks, are awarded today. This is recognized by the pilot, that is Preparing India's Leaders of Tomorrow, a trust from USA founded by Mr. Farooq Singh. So from the inception of the college, we had Father John Rose who brought in this trust to our college. So this trust every year sponsors students who do exceptionally well. Last year, around 51 students were given sponsorship in the fees, and every year to recognize the talent, the top 3 scorers of every section are awarded. Simultaneously this year, we had the second PUC Science and Commerce stream, first PUC Science and Commerce stream, and students who have scored 100 out of 100 in all the subjects being awarded today. The staff who contribute for the welfare of the students are also recognized and appreciated by this pilot trust, which is from USA. It's a good recognition for our college that people identify the talent of the students and are supporting our children during this pandemic, financially and economically. I would also like to state, for higher studies this year, from this year, not only PU, even for degree education, we are getting sponsorship, and one child, complete fees for her BSc nursing is being sponsored by the pilot trust. So we are very grateful to the founder, Mr. Farooq Singh, and all the members of the pilot trust who are always supportive to our college. We will definitely work better and see the progress of our institution. I thank you for this opportunity and wish good luck for all our students.
Dear friends, I take this opportunity to thank the pilot trust. We see that this trust taking a lot of care, interest in the education of the poorest of the poor. Our institution has been privileged that this trust has come forward to support us in the field of education, especially motivating the students to study hard and to see that a child who scores well is well appreciated and encouraged to further studies in future. And St. Teresa's institution has been a great source of inspiration for thousands of children in and around KGF. I take pride to see that our students are coming out very bright in their education. And in that field of education, we see as a service to see that every underprivileged students, especially students who are very good in studies and are finding very difficult in their academics, especially in the field of economics, we see that this trust has been one of the motivating factors that our students, first and second PUC students, are well appreciated for their hard-working studies. And this trust has come forward not only for the PU but also for the further studies in future, where some of our own students has given their testimony how this trust has helped them in their studies. I take this as a good opportunity to thank the Pilot Trust and also congratulate all the students who have been awarded today. They have become a motivation for all the other students of our institution to work hard, and every student who work hard will be well appreciated. As we know that the saying, hard work cannot be substituted, and hard work will definitely be rewarded. And this is one way we witnessed it. So we also welcome other students, especially to welcome the newcomers into our institution, and also further to see that every students, especially the poor students, find it difficult. Our institution is like a mother to welcome them and give them more opportunity. So on this moment, I also give a confidence to the people of KGF that our institution is for the poor, and every poor find an opportunity in this institution to achieve their goal and to realize their dream. So I thank all the faculty members who are also being awarded, and for their support and their hard work, we will definitely reach out the needy of our KGF people, and our institution will be always and hope for the people who are hoping to have their dreams to be achieved. Thank you.
Author of second PUC with a score of 587 out of 625. She has also scored 100 out of 100 in business studies and 100 out of 100 in English. So we are really proud of you and we wish you good luck for your future studies. The topper in science, she has scored 576 out of 625. We are very happy that she is a very dedicated and motivating child. She's taken up higher studies and she's also aspiring to go into medicine. So we wish her good luck and congratulate you on behalf of the management and the staff.
I would like to start by saying a word of gratitude. Thank you to my institution, thank you to my mentors, thank you to my principal and the Pilot Trust Committee for supporting us and encouraging us to do so. They were at the back of us in every single hurdle. They started encouraging us from the first year itself. And that's how we were motivated. So I would like to thank everybody, my institution, our principal and the Pilot Trust Committee for supporting us for even for our further studies. So thank you so much.
Let these two girls be the inspiration for the future generation, that they do well and excel. People are always there to support them, to realize their dreams and wish them good luck. Thank you. Parents of Saveria Kasi, we are happy that she will be doing her IAS, and we hopefully wish to see you as IAS officer. And for that, future studies also, the Pilot Trust will be supporting her to realize her dreams. On behalf of her parents and Saveria, I thank the Pilot Committee for supporting our student to become an IAS officer.
I thank Pilot Trust and my parents and who encouraged me to take this IAS coaching and to look forward to it. Mr. Siraj Ahmad and Farooq sir, they are helping me in all possible ways so that I can get good coaching for IAS and give my best.